Hello, welcome to the daily view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So today was a you can say bloody red day for bulls, and we had mentioned it on Friday. If you watch the video again, uh, we had mentioned that though it is looking like a bullish candlestick pattern, but if this candle fails, and we have mentioned it here as well, like we were expecting 17,500 to 600 hold, but Dow Jones had other plans, and US markets continue to uh, fall. Uh, this reversal candlestick pattern is what you call as doji. Can you see this? So this was and right at 50-day exponential moving average. This was giving hope, but we mentioned that this needs confirmation next day, which it did not provide today. So even after good results from ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries, Nifty broke Friday's low, and we had mentioned that if it Nifty sustains below Friday's low or 17,500, then you can expect 17,100 to 17,000 in quick time. But we were also caught off guard, because we also didn't expect that it will come in a single day only. So we were expecting it to come in 2 to 3 days. So Nifty completed that, because under we should understand that this hope, or like for bulls, this was a hope candle. This was a possible reversal candle, and it required confirmation next day. So bulls were trapped there, and mostly those bulls were trapped. Uh, Mostly those bulls were trapped who entered in the last 15-30 minutes. If I show you the chart of 15 minutes of Nifty, so this is today. So if we remove this, like so this, so if you focus here, this is the last 30 minutes of 21st January, which is a Friday. So this move of from 17,485 to 17,650, which is around 160 point rally in 30 minutes, which is 1% rally, almost 1% rally in 30 minutes, gave bulls the hope that this could be the bottom, and we are headed higher. So always remember, 15-minute, obviously daily chart has a more significant uh, has more significance than 15 minutes. So always remember, whenever there is a doji formed or a reversal candle formed, it should give confirmation. At least it should sustain above the previous day high. So Nifty should have sustained above the previous day high. So to confirm that it has formed the bottom, but it didn't happen today. And these late bulls which entered on Friday in the last 30 minutes were caught off guard, and they were trapped badly. And all the 17,500, and why 17,500 was crucial level, because that was one strike price where put writers were very confident of. So when Nifty sustained below 17,500, they had to cover their position. And if you see on the open interest, so this is 17,500 now, very much overtaken by bears. That means the call writers. And if you look at the OI build-up, so all the calls from 16,500 to 17,800 has seen short build-up. So that is why 17,500 was important. Um, Now that Nifty has fallen till it tested a low of 16,997, so 17,000 basically. So was tested today, and everyone got trapped. When intraday bullish players were also trapped today. So now what from here? We expect it to. 17,000 again. I'm saying this is not a reversal, but 17,000 by open interest. If you see now, 17,000 has the highest open interest. 17,000 put has the highest open interest, and today's low is 16,997. So again, if tomorrow if we fall and hold, try to hold 17,000, give or take 50, 25, 30 points, it can break by 20 points just to trap late short sellers. But if you if we are able to hold 17,000, then you can expect that get bounce in Nifty, because on 15-minute chart it's highly oversold. I think RSI is around 16. It went back to 20, 30 by end of day. So we expect some bounce from here, because 17,000, after 17,500, 17,000 was the only level. So we expect some dead cat bounce, but we don't think that the overall bearish structure has changed. So you might see some dead cat bounce, and it might come from 17,050 or 17,100 here, and it might test 17,300 to 400, not beyond that. So it is possible, a dead cat bounce is possible. But if after 1 or 2 days of some stability, because there is a Fed meet on 25th night, so uh, we are closed on 26th due to Republic Day. So if there is a big move uh, on 26th, so you should be prepared for that, because global markets will react to what Fed says. So again, I'm saying whatever the Fed does, 17,000 is a crucial level, and if this goes, you can expect Nifty, because last time also uh, when it bounced from 16,400, it didn't bounce from the 200 exponential moving average. So if 17,000 is broken, then you can expect 16,700 to 16,600. 16,600 to 16,700 is possible. If 17,000 is taken away, no matter what the Fed says, trust your chart, and this is possible. Having said that, tomorrow a dead cat bounce is possible, because indices are oversold on lower time frame charts. So let me write here. Expecting a dead cat bounce tomorrow. Maximum upside 17,300 to 17,400, or you can see 17,350 to 17,400. And one more thing, if 17,000 goes, sixteen thousand seven hundred to 16,600, again in quick time. So watch out for these two levels. On open interest front, obviously 17,000 on the put side and 17,500. This is the 500-point range, which is now that the range is also looking small considering the move today. So 17,000 on the downside, 17,500 on the upside. So this seems to be the range, and if 17,000 goes, then 16,700 to 16,600 is possible. That is our view right now. Trade cautiously before the Fed meet, and keep these levels in mind. let's come to Bank Nifty. So as we mentioned yesterday, bulls will gain strength only if Bank Nifty closes above 37,750. The same logic was applied. Bank Nifty, if you see, was showing relative strength as compared to Nifty in the morning, whereas Nifty at one point of time Nifty was down 250 points and Bank Nifty was also down 250 300 points. Uh, Although the Bank Nifty trades at twice X level of Nifty. So Bank Nifty was showing relative strength in the morning, but it has closed also uh, comparatively stronger than Nifty. As you can see, Nifty is down 2.66%, but Bank Nifty is down 1.67%, mainly due to SBI and ICICI. ICICI results were fantastic. If we see the brokerage views on ICICI, so it was down only 0.75%. And if you see SBI though has relatively less weight in Bank Nifty, but it was still holding on. So these two stocks um, managed to save Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty didn't uh, fell that much. But again, if you see this candle, doji candlestick pattern, failure to resume the upside, and again the bulls that entered in the last 30 minutes. Now see this one also. So 37,200 at 2:45 p.m. and then straight to 37,740. So this is a 500-point move in the last 30 minutes. So these again bulls were trapped, and Bank Nifty fell till what is the low? So Bank Nifty fell till 36,375. Now, what is the support level? So the support level is again the 200 exponential moving average, which is at 35,780. And if we look at the open interest also, then open interest 36,500 and major open interest is at 36,000. So anywhere we are talking about, so same is the level. 36,000 is basically the most stronger support on Bank Nifty. And as we have mentioned in Nifty, that this failure of reversal candlestick pattern led to this fall. Now, Bank Nifty, we expect if this high, both highs, Friday's high and today's high is at 37,700. So Friday's high is at 37,741 and today's high is at 37,700. So bulls will gain strength only Bank Nifty. We can write sustains above. Otherwise, it will remain weak, and we expect 35,800 to 36,000. So this is our view for Bank Nifty. So you can also sit out for tomorrow also. Don't get caught in volatility because uh, day after tomorrow, whenever you open on Thursday, so there will be a huge gap up, gap down is also possible due to Fed news. So control your leverage and trade accordingly. So this is our view on Nifty metal. We wanted to give a follow up. Now the breakout has failed. We had mentioned here that the on Nifty metal that breakout has confirmed, but after retesting it again went down, and this was our stop loss 5,600, which was broken today, and it has fallen till 5,400. Now due to this failure of breakout, now you can expect level of 5090 5100 from here, which is again 300 points down from here. So metal is uh, now in a void now that stop loss has been hit and uh, failed breakout has confirmed. Thank you. That's it for today.